Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the NCLEX RN. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including its adaptive format and the 8 client needs categories. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan, allocating specific times each day or week for review. It is crucial to assess your current knowledge to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Finally, select high-quality study guides, question banks, and review courses to support your preparation journey. For effective content review, systematically go through all major nursing topics, from medical surgical to pediatrics and mental health. Many successful candidates use a dedicated NCLEX RN review program, which often includes video lectures and detailed notes. The key is to deeply understand why an answer is correct or incorrect, rather than simply recalling information. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to focused content review, ensuring you cover all essential areas. Engaging with a large volume of practice questions is paramount. Aim to complete at least 2,000 to 3,000 questions from a high-quality question bank. After each question, thoroughly review the rationale for both correct and incorrect answers. This helps solidify your understanding and identify knowledge gaps. Practice taking timed quizzes to improve your pacing and endurance. Focus on developing strong critical thinking skills, which are essential for the NCLEX RN's application-based questions. As test day approaches, ensure you are well-rested and nourished. Avoid cramming the day before. Instead, engage in light review or relaxation. Know the exact location of your testing center and plan your travel to arrive early. It is vital to manage any anxiety by practicing deep breathing or visualization techniques. Remember, you have prepared diligently for this moment. Trust in your knowledge and abilities, and approach the NCLEX RN with a calm and confident attitude.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.